Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Sonic Rumble not launching or crashing on PC. If the game won't open, crashes on startup, or keeps freezing, try these solutions one by one. They work for most players. Let's get right into it. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library and find Sonic Rumble. Right-click the game and select Properties. Go to Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan for missing or corrupted files and fix them. Wait for the process to complete, then try launching the game again. Solution 2. Open your Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to update your graphics driver. Solution 3. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA app. Open the app, go to the Drivers tab, click Check for updates. If there's a new update, install it. Restart your PC afterward. Solution 4. Open the link in the description of this video. Scroll down and download VC-Redist x86.exe, VC-Redist x64.exe. Now go to your Downloads folder, double-click VC-Redist.x64. Accept the terms. Press Yes. Wait for installation. Press Close. Do not restart yet. Double-click VC-Redist x86. Press Yes. Accept the terms. Wait for installation. Now restart your PC. This fixes a lot of missing DLL and startup errors for Sonic Rumble. And that's it. After trying these 5 solutions, Sonic Rumble should finally launch and run without crashing. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you need more help. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.